Hello, Kishu inu warriors. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, I found Kishu inu positive and absolutely a Shiba inu pump. So Kishu inu also have to pump. And you know what, guys? In right now situation, especially today, I'm feeling very happy about Kishu inu. Now you understand. You feeling that why I mistake channel feeling happy today. You can see here if you took the last one day, today changes application is positive going negative. So why you're feeling happy? But this reason, guys, you know what I believe that after fast there is a jump in a crypto. That is the simple rules. That is a simple phenomena of crypto market. So you have also to understand this phenomena. Anyways, guys, in this video, I'm just talking about the latest update of Kisho inu. In shortly, we are doing technical analysis. So stay here and please subscribe now for more tips and tricks about crypto money. The right now price of Kisho, sorry, I forget. Now the right now price here is about 0.00000. Oh my god. Simple is that the price of Kishu inu is still very low. And guys, I believe that it is a still opportunity for investment. Kishu inu is a very low price coin. So if you want to buy, so buy now right now. Other side, guys, you can see 257.19% the Kishu inu price pump in the last 7 days. And I believe, guys, I think that it is a very huge pump. It is very huge pump, guys. Congratulations. Unfortunately, yesterday the pricing is going negative, but I think it is a note about a huge pump. You can see here, guys. Also, as I told you, oh my God, here is going narrow. So you can see here, guys. Also, the price jump, and as I told you that after fast there is a jump. So the right now situation, price start pumping. So very soon, guys, these changes will become positive. Just wait, just patience, and just hold. Negative 12.88% changes. Very soon they will become positive. That is the update video, guys. Just hold, and if you want to buy now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more news and update videos.